This guy is going to have a lot of decisions to make today.
Yes, I do not know what this is about.
You know, like a lot of people, I have a desk job. We're sitting next to the computer all day. And I like the little random fidget and desk toys. Greg here has zero clue what he's about to see. I'm not even going to tell him what they are at first either. So this is...
You just ruined everything!
There is zero electronics.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. For an electronics channel, this is a genius idea.
And no puffy coats this week either.
Yeah. And, you know, he made it back. Whatever.
Yeah.
So, without further ado, I'm going to grab a random desk or fidget toy to throw your way, and we'll just see what you think.
I'm going to tell you what I think of it. Or just throw it.
Throw it. Some may even be meant to be thrown. Our first lovely desk fidget toy.
I thought it was a spider when you were carrying it over here.
Look at this thing.
Tiny magnet, like one of those swishy guys at the car dealership.
It's not a bad way to look at it.
See?
Yeah, so
if you have a tiny car lot, you could sell some cars.
This is for all those Hot Wheels car lots that we have.
So anyway, this is apparently a magnet toy with these little things are rubber, obviously.
So that is a company called Specs. They make lots of different little magnet toys. And
this is not sponsored by Specs.
No.
This is straight from his desk.
Yep. Sponsored by me.
So there we go.
So it is literally a set of bendable magnets with a metal plate that you can just make car dealership guys with. Do you want me to tell you the price of it? Will that change your opinion?
You want me to guess the price of it?
Go ahead and guess the price, yeah.
All right, I think I would pay $14.99 for this. Woo! That's what I would pay, and anybody else is...
Pretty sure, depending if they're on sale or not, they're between $20 and $30 for a set.
Yeah, I don't know about 30. I'm not... It's cool. It's fun. You sit here and build stuff, but if it's top heavy, it falls right over, which kind of sucks.
A poor builder.
No, I'm going sky high and it can't handle me. So it's neat. You know, it is a fun little thing, but $30 for it, based on the price, I'm rebooting it. Get it out of here.
All right.
Did you hit the dog?
Next up, Bart. We're going to keep with the same company. Some other Specs.
All right.
Gadget. This one.
Okay.
These are also Specs magnets.
This is a Tetris game.
This, however, is, I will say that this is 1.5 sets. I didn't bring all the magnets, but the gray was one set, and the blue was another set.
He bought some DLC for his Tetris magnets.
You know.
So... yeah,
and these are probably also in the same price range.
I mean, just to describe it a little bit, these are, you can tell they're pretty hard. You know, magnets. They're not very heavy. They're pretty lightweight, but they're not really rubber. It's okay. I'm guessing the price is probably up there with the other one, so it's probably $78. But,
$78.
Well, you bought 2.5 sets here.
That's 1.5 sets.
1.5. It's because I know the other one. I would guess at least $19.99 to $29.99 again. I honestly don't like this as much as the other one. I'm already done with it. I'm not having fun. So I'm gonna reboot it right out of here. How much is that one?
I think it's about the same price. I think these are about $24.99.
Between the two, I would pick the squiggly man.
All right.
All right, how are we doing? Am I doing good?
I mean, as of right now, you don't like anything.
No, I don't. Your stuff is crap.
All right. The final Specs object.
All right.
Same company as the magnets.
What are you sure you're not sponsored? You just rolled it out of here. You're not sponsored by them? because if you are, they're not going to be happy with these reviews. Are these baby toys?
They're basically high quality stress relief balls that you can stretch and do whatever.
That looks like a COVID.
Dr. Greg, in case anybody's wondering. If you want to see a flu molecule, that's this one.
So they're educational. I see the value in this one.
And then that's a workout kettlebell.
Yeah, this is just a kettlebell. So,
these are considerably cheaper. I don't recall the exact price.
I kind of like these. I'll be honest. This one, I'm the least. If I'm ranking the three, I'm least interested in the COVID ball.
Did you see that they?
Yeah, yeah, but these are really squishy. I could see these when you're a hard day at work and you're just in a meeting and irritated. You're just gripping it and smash it.
Yeah. Hey.
Get a little angry.
That's what
my little kettlebell.
In a way, I will admit, I'm actually fairly close to you on that. Those two sit on my desk at all times.
See?
I bought them all together when they first launched as a pack, but I think you can also buy them separate. So
I would say, I guess I'd put them each at $5, about $15 for the three.
Knowing this brand, they're probably, I bet, $10 a piece.
Okay.
I would assume.
It's not bad. Honestly, I'd unpack this. I like these. Like I said, I think the thing is it's stretchy, but it is super squishy. Yeah, unpack it. You can roll that one right out of here.
All right, so
So we don't want that.
That one's gone. All right,
nice. I like them.
All right, cool. We're
on a different video, guys.
We are on a path to
greatness.
Some devices that you're just gonna you might just be like, what is this?
All right,
completely, because
I haven't done that yet. Okay, so this is a spy tool. You can fill up your tires on your car or flamethrow somebody.
All of which is incorrect.
I honestly, he's probably right. I really don't know what this is, but I know it does unscrew. It's a pen. It's a dang pen with a flashlight. It's probably not even a flashlight. No. It's just a hole.
Yeah.
It's a pen with a hole in it. It's a pen that looks like you use it on some part of your tire.
That's the pin holder.
Yeah, and it's very heavy. So if you got one of those little pockets, you're not putting it in there. Or maybe you should. So yeah, okay. Does it write pretty well? Is it?
I mean, it's a standard ballpoint refill on that. This I think was a Kickstarter.
Why?
Because it is a double-threaded pattern on it, so the bolts, you can fidget with the bolts and spin them, roll them up and down the pin.
So is the point to? Is it a fidget tool?
It's both.
That writes?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, yeah, I don't know.
I'll show you.
I just have a hard time. Somebody dreamed that up and said, look, I guess Kickstarter, if you're going to dream something up, then go with it.
I mean, you either steal their money or you deliver something 3 years too late. But see, you can...
Well, you didn't tell me.
I told you I wasn't going to tell you anything until you played for a minute.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's probably the coolest thing it does. Is
yeah.
Whatever he just did.
See?
But I mean, you do it once or twice, and that's it. I don't. You can reboot that one too.
All right.
I can't wait to do one of these videos of me giving him stuff to unpack.
Yeah, we'll figure this thing out quickly. Look at that.
Look at that. It's somebody's glass eyeball.
This has one purpose.
This thing is pretty heavy. Kind of, I don't know. It almost feels ceramic. It's got a lot of weight to it, but there's a little, I don't know, rubber thing right here that spins. Is that what it does?
Yep.
That's what it does.
This was all of, I believe,
it was
$5.
$79.99.
I think you can find these various sizes for $5 on Amazon, and it'll spin for a good probably 30-45 seconds.
Do you seek these out? Are you disturbed?
Man, I just find all sorts. I told you it's going to be a bunch of random stuff.
All right, well.
This actually sits on my desk.
I mean, where else are you going to put it?
Well, I mean, I'm just saying the squishies,
Glue it to your hat.
whatever the squishy things, those and that sit on my desk. I actually spin that quite a bit.
Don't let me stop you.
All right, another.
All right.
I'm not gonna throw that one because I'm
No,
not gonna
don't
put a
throw
hole in
that.
something.
That would kill something.
This is a ONO is the brand and the device.
That
I think
is
it's called an Oh No. I get Oh No.
which is also a portable scuba tank. If you guys are snorkeling in a bathtub, you'll have about 4 breaths out of it. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
That's
so,
it.
Okay. So you can roll it.
Yep, it's double metal rollers.
Okay, that's not too bad.
No, see,
That's not too bad.
and then you reverse it.
The thing is, I feel like it should be strengthening my hand. You know,
Well, then
I
you
almost
can-
feel like the
And then roll it the other way now.
oh
Yeah, see,
So-
it's those either way.
yeah, it's like cardio for your thumb. Okay. It's got some weight. It's metal, kind of a shiny, slick metal. Free rolls quite nicely. You know, either way, both of these cylinders can go either way. So, just whatever you want to do. It's this one I get because you could just sit there and if you're talking like I am now, and you could just sit there and work your hand out with the tiny cylinders. Kettlebell. Okay, unpack it.
That's fairly easy to find on Amazon
that.
too. I think there's a bunch of knockoffs, but from everything I found that
$8.99.
Oh No, I think it was like $20.
You can't keep thinking. You're gonna have to tell me definitively.
$19.99.
All right, that's well the squishy things in that are the best. So
All right,
far.
so cool. We 2 things.
We
So
haven't lost you yet.
We're failing because
There we
you
I get an Oreo. Oh, I feel like it's tops
yes, that is
or
it.
some eyes.
These are galaxy resin filled long spinning tops.
Was this on Kickstarter?
Yep.
Why?
I
And why do you pay?
enjoy gadgets.
And it passed. What was the requirement? One investor?
Man, that thing that made like I want to say that was over $200,000 for those.
I don't get it, guys. I don't get it. Like you said, little resin metal things with a little tiny peg on the bottom, like a spinny top would have. I mean, the thing is, it's hard to even spin now.
They do have a launcher.
Well, you're holding back. Can I shoot these at people or what?
No, it's like a launcher that sits on top, and you pull the string,
okay.
and
All right. Well,
it makes it spin for
Yeah.
I think up to 2 minutes potentially, if I remember.
yeah. Okay. Well, it's okay.
All right,
Not
let's
really.
keep on our losing streak. Here's a Phantom.
All right. Phantom. It could be anything.
Yeah, you're gonna love
It
this.
might just be nothing in here. The
Oh, no,
Phantom
there's-
might really be in there.
There's something in there.
So I'm just gonna show everybody what I see. Yeah, I don't know, but we're gonna unpack it. Not permanently. Just oh Jesus. This is-
So far,
I feel
he's
like
got 3 pieces. He's got a metal piece with some string.
this looks hard. This looks difficult.
Here, I'll
Yeah.
assist you with this one.
Go ahead. I
You
feel like I'm trying to
Do you
go
know what you're
fishing.
doing? You figured out what it is
I mean,
yet?
I'm assuming the string is the launcher, and you spin it, you ripcord it, right?
That is correct.
Unless it's a yo-yo.
This, I think, is actually made by the same company that made those other ones, potentially. This is the high-quality titanium
Well,
top.
well.
Well, it can free spin.
Yeah, it's
On
as
the
exciting as
desk.
those resin things.
You can also, I haven't done this for a little while, you get the launcher, and it can spin on its stand.
Okay, so I mean, that's all right. It seems like a lot of work to get it to do that. I don't mean a lot of work, like it's hard. It's just you're sitting there winding
Yeah.
that cord right now. You know, like again, it's almost like you're going fishing. But I guess if I could have you come over
And
and
just keep
ripcord
watching.
it for me, while I'm doing stuff and I just look at it, then I'm okay with it. We'll keep it. I don't want to sit there and do that though.
You just want to leave it
I
spinning
want
for a while.
a launcher where I just push a button and it.
We need the Spinges launcher.
Yeah, we're gonna leave this here for the next one. Now the case. Let's not forget the Phantom case. That's kind of cool. That's maybe overkill. It's got Phantom written in here,
It's
embossed in the side, some spongy packing,
And considering it's made of titanium, I don't know why it actually needs all that packing.
yeah, and
Personally,
it's fitted. I mean, 'cause you know why? Because he paid $129 on Kickstarter for this one. Did you?
no.
Okay.
This probably was in the $30 to $40 range potentially.
Okay. All right.
The final one, we have more
Biscuits.
titanium, I believe, and a brushed in stainless steel. See, look, this thing still spins. You set it right there while it's still
You were
going.
supposed to leave it over here.
Well, I
So-
wanted to leave you space with those.
Are these like healing stones?
No.
I feel better already.
Yep.
Yeah.
These are called flippos.
I kind of like the sound. A flippo.
Flippo. I mean, you can do that. But let's see if I can still do this. It's been a little while. So these, you get the right speed going.
So
And
is
they actually can
is it
roll.
a challenge or a fidget? Because
I mean, it's
is this one harder to do?
I mean, so if you go uphill, it's hard. If you go sideways or down, it's a little bit
Do
easier.
that one.
See.
Okay. Well, he's been practicing.
So these are called flippo flips.
Flippos. By the way, that's not spinning anymore. It's kind of like a hot dog in space.
What's a hot dog in space?
What is that?
It's a
Thank you. That's all we need. There we go.
That is all the random
Okay.
fidget items for today.
All right.
There are
So-
others, but
So we had a couple hits, most misses.
so
And a lot of questions on the things he orders when he's. Were you drinking?
I mean,
Yeah.
potentially.
Anyway, just a fun video. I truly did not know what this stuff was because I'm glad I didn't. But it was fun.
So
If you guys like it, let us know. We'll surprise the other one, come up with some things, and we'll go fidget shopping. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
thank you.